Now we will see the speed. Okay, what is the speed? In this one, we see the definition, first one, and second one, conversion of units of speed. Okay, next, calculating speed, distance, and time. Speed. What is the speed? It is a measurement how fast the object is moving. Okay. Suppose you are traveling in a car. How will you say the car? The car is moving 80 kilometers per speed. So you are measuring the how much the car, how fast the car is moving. Okay. Therefore, the speed of the object is the distance covered by per unit time. Okay. That is speed is equal to distance by time. So usually distance we will measure in kilometer, time in hour. So first unit is kilometer per hour. And if you measure the distance in meters and time in seconds, we will the unit of the speed is meter per second. Conversion of units of speed. So we have two units. One is kilometer per hour and another one is meter per second. So how will you convert 1 kilometer per hour? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60 seconds. Okay. So 1000 by 60 into 60, 3600. That is, if you cancel everything, we will get 5 by 18 meter per second. That is 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. If you want to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, multiply by 5 by 18. If you want to convert meter per second into kilometer per hour, multiply by 18 by 5. We'll see the sum now. Express 234 kilometer per hour in meter per second. Okay, it's very simple. We have to multiply it by 5 by 18. 234 kilometer per hour is equal to 234 into 5 by 18. So when you cross multiply and do all the calculations, we will get 65 meter per seconds. That is, if you consider object is moving per hour 234 kilometers now, it will move for 1 second 65 meters. Okay, you can try all these sums. Next, using the same formula, we can calculate speed also, time also, and distance also. Okay, speed is equal to distance by time is a standard formula. When you bring the time to the other side, the speed will go. You want to calculate time means you can use distance by speed. Then if you want to calculate distance means what we can do, that is speed into time. See, a car covers 7.5 kilometers, 7.5 kilometer in 10 minutes. Calculate its speed in kilometer per hour. How much will it requires to cover 2.5 kilometer by the car? Okay, so the first part is we have to convert the speed into kilometer per hour. So distance given here is 7.5 kilometers. Okay, time given here is 10 minutes. So first step will convert that into standard form. 7.5 means that is 15 by 2. 10 minutes you change into hour, that is 10 minute 10 by 60 hours. Okay, when you convert the minute into hour, just divide it by 60. Okay, now speed is equal to distance by time, that is 15 by 2 by 10 by 60. Okay, so when you do the calculations, we will get 45 kilometers by 45 kilometers per hour. Okay, second part is how much will it requires to cover 2.5 kilometers. So the same speed, the speed here is 45 kilometer, 45 kilometer per hour. Okay, distance here is 2.5 kilometer. Okay, so how much time it required we want to calculate. So time is distance by speed, 2.5 kilometer by 45 kilometer per hour. Okay, so if you calculate, we get 3.3 minutes.